Hello and welcome to BioCode. In this video, we will see how we can create data frames within our language and what are the basic reasons why we need to create data frames and how we can utilize them for bioinformatics analysis. In this picture that you are seeing right now is that you can see basically data frames are two-dimensional lists because they provide a structure, Excel-like structure, for example, that each column has a different data but of same value. As you can see, each column has a different data but of same value. Each cell of that column contains the same data type, but it is different when you compare it to the another column. So this is known as data frame. Data frames are utilized when you have a multiple R objects that you need to store them in a single list. In that case, it becomes a data frame because data frames provide a better efficiency at storing multiple R objects into a single variable. So it becomes a data frame. So as you can see right now, there are over 1, 2, 3, and that means there are 9 cells and 3 rows and 3 columns. Each cell of each column contains a similar data, right? 1, 2, 3, that means it is numeric value. True, false, true, that means it is logical value. But when we compare logical value with numerical value, both of these values are different, of different data types. But whenever we compare that data with the data that is available within this column, it is actually the same. So in that case, character data type, this column has character data type, so it is different from these. And if you go row wise, then each cell has a different value because each cell is considered to be a different R object in a different column. So that was all. So we can basically, what you need to understand is that data frames are not created through hand on our language, because you have to provide each individual value that needs to be stored in a data frame. So it becomes cumbersome when we have thousands of values and we need them to be stored in a data frame. In that case, all you really have to do is load data sets, and we will discuss about that in our next video when we start loading our bioinformatics data, so that you can have a better understanding how to analyze them. In this video, we will provide you a basic understanding how